Patch karo, patch.
Can you hear me? We'll go back to Anand as soon as his line is re-established. But live visuals on your screens right now of Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, their car on their way from Delhi to Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. We will get you more details on what is going on over there. They're being flanked by the Congress party leaders, as you can see on your screens right now. Priyanka has accompanied Rahul Gandhi. There's a lot of security around Rahul Gandhi's car as well, and a heavy security deployment from stopping Rahul Gandhi to enter Uttar Pradesh. Anand Patel joins us live once again. Anand, what have you got for us? Where exactly has the car reached at the moment? How far away before they cross that toll naka where all that heavy security has been deployed by the UP administration in a bid to stop Rahul Gandhi from entering UP?
Is on the DND. It is crawling on the DND. You can see Priyanka Gandhi is driving the car and Rahul Gandhi sitting right next to her. And the motorcade is crawling on the DND because there is a lot of traffic in anticipation to the motorcade of Rahul and Priyanka. The UP police has blocked the DND and only a couple of lanes are open, because of which there is so much traffic over here. And that is the reason why this motorcade is crawling. But you can see the enthusiasm of the Congress workers who are shouting slogans, and the car is literally at a pace of 20 kilometers per hour. Not even that, because the workers are leading this motorcade now. You can see the workers chanting the slogan, and this is the enthusiasm which the Congress party was looking for as it builds up the anger against the Yogi government, in which last time we saw both the leaders heckled by the police. Today they're coming with all the 35 MPs here. You can see all the 35 MPs accompanying Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and their escort. You can see them running alongside Priyanka Gandhi, asking and requesting again and again the Congress workers not to walk in front of the car because it's a traffic, and she's also requesting them not to run in front of the car because that could be dangerous. And you can see the workers continuously shouting slogans while Priyanka Gandhi
is tracking at the moment. There's mega police deployment at the DND as well. They are on the DND, still not reached that point where the heavy security deployment is there, which is at the toll naka where my colleagues Aishwarya and Paulami are stationed at the moment. But Anand Patel is walking alongside the car, which is being driven by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and with her in the car is Rahul Gandhi. She's driving herself. She's flanked by Congress workers. 35 other Congress leaders also on their way from Delhi to UP. They will be hitting the border any moment now to cross from Delhi and get into UP. But now it remains to be seen whether there's going to be a political face-off, given that heavy police deployment only points towards one thing, that they are going to be stopped. This is the second bid of Rahul Gandhi in 3 days to be able to visit the victims next of kin. At the moment, the car is not being able to pick up speed given the amount of traffic, and all the Congress workers who are walking alongside the car as well. These are live visuals. We're going to be staying with the live visuals that are coming in. Anand Patel is still with us. Anand, how far away from that particular point where all the police deployment is on ground?
Well, barely a kilometer now, Chaiki. We are on the bridge on the Yamuna River. And you can see Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi completely overwhelmed by the situation. Priyanka Gandhi, time and again, putting down her windows and requesting the Congress workers who are running alongside the car and in front of the car. You can see them shouting slogans for Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. And this is very dramatic, Chaiti. What we saw the day before yesterday on Yamuna Expressway, a repeat of that. Congress workers on the ground the level of enthusiasm says it all, Chaiti. And this is what Congress party needed, because time and again it was criticized that it has been reduced to a party which just reacts on Twitters and on the social media, but not on the ground. So this time around, the Congress party feels that this is an opportunity for them to hit back at the critics.
Democracy belongs in having a strong opposition, and bids are now being made to stop the opposition from entering the state of Uttar Pradesh, where Rahul Gandhi is on his way to meet the victims' next of kin. They're about a kilometer away from the border from where they leave Delhi and enter into Uttar Pradesh, where a face-off is very much possible given the kind of deployment that is there on ground, as Paulami and Aishwarya both were highlighting and showing. But Anand Patel is staying with the visuals here with the car that is moving towards that particular point. He's on the DND, but it is a slow-moving chock-a-block traffic given that Congress workers are walking alongside, and both the leaders are flanked by a whole host of Congress workers. Not just that, 35 other leaders are from the Congress party, also alongside Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi. Throwing straight across to Anand, he's got more details coming in from the DND. Anand. Nitin. Anand, can you hear me?
On this Jamuna bridge. Yes, Chaiti, I can hear you. As you can see, the traffic is moving very slowly because there is a lot of traffic jam, and you can see the motorcade time and again has to stop because the workers are coming in front of the car which Priyanka Gandhi is driving, and the entire media is alongside with the escorts, and you can see the situation. This is very dramatic, a repeat of what happened on Yamuna Expressway and now today on the DND flyover. You can see both the leaders here on the Yamuna bridge, and a little while from now they'll be reaching the DND flyover, where all the might of Uttar Pradesh police is waiting for them to take them on. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi on their way to the DND Plaza, and very shortly
DND Plaza, as Anand is highlighting right there, Paulami and Aishwarya are also stationed at the DND Plaza. We are going to get you all the updates in case they are stopped. We can see that they are very, very close to the DND Plaza at the moment, almost about 200 meters short of the DND Plaza. Anand is walking alongside the vehicle that is tracking Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi as well. If we have Paulami and Aishwarya with us, let's go across to them also to show you what they are going to be received with. They're going to be received with that heavy amount of security and policemen who are standing by to stop them from entering the state of Uttar Pradesh. Paulami, I'm going to throw straight across to you to show us the latest that is coming in as Rahul Gandhi's car is approaching that particular toll naka.
That's right, Chaiti. I will show you the car pile up right now at the DND. That's where I'm standing right now. They've opened only one lane for cars coming in from Delhi who are proceeding towards Uttar Pradesh via Noida. You can just see the pile up over here, and somewhere in that pile up, I'll ask Anil to keep showing the car pile up, Anil, on the DND right now. Somewhere in that pile up is Rahul Gandhi and of course his sister Priyanka Gandhi, who's driving the vehicle right now. We aren't able to see how far they are right now, which car they are in, but somewhere in that pile up is Rahul Gandhi and of course Priyanka Gandhi, and my colleague Anand Patel, who is of course tracking them constantly. He has been tailing their motorcade from all the way from 10 Janpath up until DND. Today, they're usually, at least given the pandemic situation, not all lanes are open at all times, but usually at least 3 to 4 lanes are open, Chaiti. But right now, this is the only lane behind me. One lane only for all of these vehicles that we've been showing you on our TV screens right now. So we're standing by at the start of this lane, at the opening of this lane, where people are, of course, proceeding towards and going towards Noida. This
Continue
is the
to
lane
stay with us right there. You can see the heavy police deployment. Rahul Gandhi's car almost at the toll naka. My colleague Pooja Shali takes over from here on, gets you all the very latest with all that is taking place. A face-off in just about a bit. Pooja, throwing straight across to you.
All right, thank you so much, Chaiti. We are getting all the live updates there from the ground. I want to first quickly go across to Paulomi, who is there tracking all the latest. Take a look at these visuals on your screen. Convoy of the brother, the sister, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, driving the vehicle herself, ensuring that each step is captured by the cameras. Remember, this is the moment that they have been tracking for. Anand, I want to come to you also quickly. Where are you precisely? How close are you to the vehicle? What exactly is happening?
Well, Pooja, we just crossed the Yamuna Bridge on the DND, and this motorcade is barely a kilometer from DND Toll Plaza now, and the traffic is literally crawling, and both Rahul and Priyanka are also stuck in this traffic because of the heavy traffic jam which is there on the DND Plaza right now. And also, the problem is compounded because the Congress workers are walking right in front of the car which Priyanka is driving. She is time and again requesting them not to run and walk in front of her car to avoid any mishap. And even security personnel are having a tough time requesting the Congress workers to not run in front of the car, but you can see the level of enthusiasm which the Congress workers have, and they're taking the side lane of the...
Anand, I'll give you a breather there. We have the visuals on our screen as well as you're giving that live commentary. I want to go across quickly to Paulomi. Paulomi, a quick update because you're at the DND also. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us on the same. Paulomi, first over to you.
That's right, Pooja. We're standing at the opening of that one lane that they've kept open for vehicles to go from Delhi to Noida. You can see the pile-up behind me. It's a complete jam. As far as my eyes go,